Galaganka singenile kwiyure yesithathu neyokugqibela inkqubo yanamhlanje xa ke sikrobisa kwamanye amanqaku esithe sathetha ngawo singabalula ukulahlwa lityala kwalowo owaphemelela izixholo-xholo zangoJulayi kanyaka ka-2021 ukufaniswa kwezidumbu zamaxhoba ase-Impala nokunye ke okuninzi nanjengokuba ke olu suku lusaqala makeke ndikuphe nanga umphako ukuba ke ungumntu olungileyo ndicale ufane nqwa nalaa mthi kuthiwa ngumthathi umthi osoloko uhlaza yaka ngamaxesha onke nongatshintshi nokutshintsha kwe-seasons ibangulowo mthi mamtshana
hawo sizoba yilowo mthi sikubingelele mbukelelela ihora lesithathu makuthi usanda kungena sibonga kakhulu ngokuthi sihlanganyele kanye nani useshilo uMakholi izinto esithe sathi siyazixoxa ngaphambi kokuthi ke sifinyelele kulesi sikhathi sanjengamanje kodwa ke futhi njengoba sesingena ihora lokugcina kubalekile ke mbukeli ukuthi ke sibheke ehamba phambili.
Linyukela yokutsho kushumi lesibini inani labantu ababhubhe kwingozi yomgodi we-Impala Platinum eRustenburg ngomvulo.
You know, when you travel in Africa, there's a lot of challenges, and I think a lot of our players are experienced enough to understand that and adapt really, really quickly.
Ibanyana banyana izogajulisana neBurkina Faso kokuhlungela iAfcon namhlanje.
Themba kamazizi nonzotho lona nguNosifikani uManzotho ubukela iEkhaya Jikelele apho ufumana indaba ezemidlalo nezenkcubeko kanye nezamaciko afana nami hlala ubukele ngolomvulo uyotsho ngolwesihlanu.
Linyukile inani labantu ababhubhe kwingozi yomgodi we-Impala Platinum eRustenburg ngomvulo. Le nkampani ithi ubhubhile umsebenzi obelaliswe esibhedlele emva kwale ngozi. Okubeka kwishumi elinesibini inani labasebenzi ababhubhileyo ngenxa yengozi yeshafti kulo mgodi ngelixa abasebenzi abangama-74 besesasibhedlele. Ingozi ibandakanya iwindow roper edibanisa uthutho lwabasebenzi olukhwelisa abasebenzi benyuka besehla kwishafti. Kungoku Impala ngabasebenzi abangama-86 bebonke abathe babandakanyeka kule ngozi.
Obe enhloko yamajaji umehluleli uMogoeng uthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kwabe kuwumsebenzi wakhe ukudalula labo abeseka umkhankaso wakhe wesobungameli we-ANC. Umehluleli uMogoeng wethule inkulumo emcimbini we-2023 SAFM ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi Constitutionalism Upholding the Rule of Law in South Africa. Uphinde waxoxa naseyingqinambeni zezamandla kagesi eyikhungethe izwe. Ubalule ukuthi ukuze iNingizimu Afrika iye phambili kumqoka ukuthi Eskom isebenze ngendlela. Isikhondla senkampani ekhiqiza okusansimbi ArcelorMittal siqinisekisile ukuthi izomisa ukusebenza kwayo eFerrienegeng kanjalo ke naseNewcastle. Imbangela yalokho uhlelo locisha ngogesi kanye nezingqinamba ezikhungethe iTransnet. Kubikwa ukuthi izingaphezulu kwe-3,500 izisebenzi ezingahle ilahlekelwe umsebenzi.
After the public announcement, we can effectively now only start the dialogue with customers. I mean, I think you guys will appreciate that we're a listed entity and we have to keep things fairly tight. So we will typically talk to customers, understand their, say, 6 months demand profile and their plans to switch, and then adjust our winding down process to accommodate as far as possible these customers. In terms of the workers, I mean, the number is 3,500 in total, own people and contractors. And Newcastle specific is 1,400 own people and about 880 contractors. So those are the numbers.
Umdumiseni Zuma ugwetshwe iminyaka eyi-12 ebhadla ejele kulandela ukulahlwa icala lokuphehla udweshu emphakathini ngesikhathi sezibhelu zangoNtulikazi ka-2021 KwaZulu-Natal. uZuma unendeka esigamekweni sokungqongqiswa ngomlilo kwenxanxathela yezitolo yaseMgungundlovu iBrookside Mall.
Inqanqathela yezitolo iBrookside Mall yaba ngezinye zezitolo kuba kutatshwe impahla kuyo iphinde icekelwe phansi eMgungundlovu. Yashiswa ngezi-12 kuNtulikazi onyakeni webhelu 2021. Lenqanqathela yezitolo esivuliwe yakhiwe kabusha ngenani u130 million wamarandi. Inkantolo yesifunda eMgungundlovu ithola ukuthi lezi zitolo zacekelwa phansi ngenxa yevideo eyenziwa uZuma. uZuma ubelokhu esho njalo kuqulwa icala lakhe ukuthi yena umsulwa nakuba kunguye obonakala kwivideo ngokuthi athi wayenza eyiphuzela amanzi amponjwana nokuthi wangaqondile ukubi ngayo. Uphiko labashushisi kwaZulu Natali lusamukele isigwebo.
The state put its best case forward, and that was in terms of the evidence that we submitted before court. And I would say the state was confident, but also we were alleging and we maintained that the offences were serious, and obviously we wanted the sentence to be in keeping with that.
Ukucelwa phansi kwezitolo nokutatshwa kwempahla kubalelwa ku50 billion amarandi. Lezi bhelu zadlula nemphefumulo engaphezudlwana kwa350 nosekuboshwa abantu abangu60. Umdumseni Zuma ube ngumuntu oqala nqa ukuthi agwetshwe emacaleni okuphehla ibhelu zangonyaka u2021. Eindabeni za SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eMgungundlovu.
Kusenjalo umphathiswa wamapolisa uBhekicele wothulele umnqwazi igqize eliphanda ngetyala elijongene nomdumiseni Zuma owagwetyelwa ukutshisa udederhu lwevenkile eMgungundlovu ngethuba lodushelo ngonyaka ka2021.
No, I want to congratulate the team that has been investigating the issue of the 1921 July where there was a destruction of property and the loss of life. We welcome the sentencing, effective sentencing of Zuma for 12 years. We just believe and hope that is a beginning. The outstanding 67 with escalated charges, we are coming for them. We believe that the outcome will be similar or even better. That will simply say to instigators and troublemakers, that's not the way of doing things, as we know how much we lost. So, but we congratulate the police and those that are outstanding, even those that we have not found. Everybody must know that the investigation has not ended. We still want to find more of those people that were responsible for the destruction and the loss of life. Again, congratulations to the teams that have been doing the investigation.
Uzakuqhubeka nokuthwaxwa ngemibuzo namhlanje kwinkundla ephakamileyo yasePitoli uBrigadier Bongani Gininda oqhuba uphando kwityala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa. Phezolo ke uGininda ukhabe ngawomane ukuba inxalenye yesityholo sokubetha umangalelo wokuqala umuzi Sibiya kunye nomtyholo wesibini uBongani Ntanzi. Kusenjalo inkonzo yesipolisa iqinisekise ukuba ityala lokubetha livuliwe ngunogada wentolongo kummangalelo wesithathu owesine nesihlanu okukulandela ukruthakrutwano phakathi kwamanye amabanjwa kunye nabatyholwa ngethuba lekhefu ngomvulo. Amanqindi abhebhe ngaphakathi enkundleni emva kokuba amanye amabanjwa exelele abanye babatyholwa ukuba bahlale kakuhle enkundleni.
The South African Police Service can confirm that we are investigating a case of assault following an incident in court on Monday where a prison official was attacked by accused 3, Carlos Mncube, accused 4, Sifiso Mapisa, and accused 5, Sifiso Kuhlentuli.
Abaholi bomhlaba babuthene engqungqutheleni ye-COP28 eqala namuhla eDubai ukudingida udaba lokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Le ngqungquthela iza ngemva konyaka obenezigameko ezimbi kwezesimo sezulu. Umsengethi kale ngqungquthela ophinde abe yilungu lenhlangano ye-Petroleum Exporting Countries izwe i-UAE linethemba lokuthi uzokwamukelwa umbono walo wokuthi kuncishiswe izinto ezingcolisa umoya njengokubasa kwezinto ezimbiwa phansi. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzohlanganyela ke nabanye abaholi le ngqungquthela.
Kanti ke i-Human Sciences Research Council ithi uMzantsi Afrika kufuneke usebenzise nzima ukufumana ichiza lokwandisa amajoni omzimba kubantu abaphila nesifo i-HIV kunye nogawulayo.
Njengoba iNingizimu Afrika izobe igubha usuku lwesifo sengculaza ngomhla ka-1 kuZibandlela, i-Human Science Research Council ithi izwe kufanele likhathazeke ngezifundazwe ezinabantu abanezinga eliphansi legciwane emzimbeni ngoba lokhu kungase kuphazamise imizamo yokulwa nokubhebhetheka kwalesifo. I-Human Science Research Council yenze ucwaningo nabantu abavela emakhaya abangaphezu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-27. Iphinde yaveza ukuthi isandulela ngculaza isalokhu iphezulu ezweni kubantu abaneminyaka engama-15 kuya phezulu, ikakhulukazi abantu besifazane.
Ama-province lawo anenamba eziningi zabantu abaphila nesifo sesandulela ngculaza. Kodwa ukuqonda kahle ngalezo zibalo kubalekile ukuthi siqonde ukuthi njengoba bebaningi bephila nesifo sengculaza, okubalekile esikhathi samanje ukwazi ukuthi ungabe baningi yini kulawa ma-province abantu bakhona othola ukuthi izinga legciwane emzimbeni wabo lingaphansi kwelevel esikwazi ukuthi silibone kuyona phecelezi it is undetectable.
Uzuma uthi kusakhathaza ukuthi liphezulu izinga lokutheleleka emantombazaneni amancane uma kuqhathaniswa nabafana abaneminyaka efanayo. Lesi sikhungo sithi izwe lenza kahle ngemigomo ye-95-95-95. Umbiko obuyekezile ogcwele uzokhishwa ngoMbasa ngonyaka ozayo. NguNonhlakanipho Magwaza, ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Njengokumbukeli kubonakala ukuba ngokumbukeli ilanga sele lityhilile, masijonge ngakumbi kuqikelelo lwemozulu.
Siphinde ke sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Kanti ke njengamanje mbukeli sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ke sibheke ke ama-trends ukuthi iziphi indaba ehamba phambili lapha yana ku-x.com.
Ewe make sijonge mbukeli esiphala phambili.
Sino hashtag Hoërskool Ben Forster kanye no hashtag Men United. Iqembu ke-Economic Freedom Fighters linikele esikoleni samabanga aphezulu iHoërskool Ben Forster lapho beliyobhikisha khona eTzaneen eLimpopo. Imbangela ke mbukela ukuthi omunye wabafundi lesi sikole usebenzise igama eliqala ngo-K elabe lisetshenziswa ukucwasa abantu bebala eNtsundu. Lokhu kubonakala ku-video esabalale einkundleni zokuxhumana lapho khona kumfundo kulesi sikole ebonakala echapha ngenhlamba ngaleli igama omunye wabantu odumile einkundleni ke zokuxhumana. I-EFF isigxekile kakhulu lesi senzo salomfanyana kulesi sikole kwase phela ngesikhathi esebenzisa leli gama eliqala ngo-K uleyamanise neqembu i-EFF.
Iqala ke le-EFF libongoze abasemagunyeni kuquka ke abaphathi besikolo kunye nabezomthetho basekuhlaleni ukuba benze uphando olunzulu ngesisehlo. Lithi ke kubalulekile ukuba kuthathwe amanyathelo afanelekileyo okwenza le nkwenkwana ukuba ivune ekutyalileyo ngezenzo zakhe nokuphumeza ke iinkqubo zemfundo ezijongana nokulwa ubuhlanga ezikolweni. Bathe baphefumla ke phana kwikhasi lika X ngalomba make sive abahlomli babhale besithini. Ekhaya uthi reacting to racism case by case, individual incident by individual incident is like treating the symptoms of the disease instead of going to the root cause. Black people will never be respected as long as we don't respect ourselves and start organizing ourselves to build power. Uvakalisa uluvo lwakho ehlomla esithi abantu abantsundu asoze babe kanti bayahlonitshwa bona kuqala bengazihloniphi. Uthi undoqo uqala thina singabantu abantsundu siqale sizihloniphe. Chunce besijonge abathe bahlomla babhale besithini.
Ule Kudzumela uthi yena, if the name of the school is Ben Forster, you can't be surprised at the children that come from the school. This goes to all schools. Sizwe omunye uphefumulile lapha ku-x.com ukuthi uthini ngalolu daba.
Uthi it's not effective. They still continuing saying racist things. So it's a waste of time. The law must just take its course. Uyangqina phana uwhy nithwami into bana hayi noko kuyabonakala into kubana akukho zivuno sizibonayo nje umthetho mawudlale indima yabo kuba saqhubeka siseqolo ukuqhaphaka okanye eqhaphaka amazwi esibonisayo into kubana abukula ngobuhlanga. Kukangakho ke siniphathele kona mbukeli kwabathe baphefumla masijonge ke i-hashtag elandelayo #MenUnited.
Mbukeli uzokhumbula phela ukuthi usuqalileke umqhudelwano we-Champions League osesigabeni samaqoqo okwamanje. Sikhuluma nje hayi kuluvindi phambili eqenjini Manchester United kulandela ukuthi ibambane neGalatasaray ngamagoli amathathu. Mbukeli bekushikisha ufudu kwenkundleni kulomdlalo ngenxa yesivinini sawo. Njengoba iRed Devils isakhale ngaphansi emidlalweni emithathu Group A, beyazi kahle amhlophe ukuthi uma ike yabuya nenduku yombangandlala eIstanbul bekuzophela nyaka ngamaphupho okunqoba indebe ye-Champions League.
Nangona ke mbukeli iMan United ithinteleyo ilahleko kodwa ke iyaphulukana nokukhokela ngamanqaku amabini. Uloyiko ke lokuba ingafumana ikrele liza kusinda ukuba mhlawumbe ke iCopenhagen ingathwaqa iBayern Munich. Make sive ke mbukeli into bana abathe babhala pha kumakhasi ka-X baphefumle besithini. Uthi good morning Man United fans wafaka ke inhliziyo ebonisa uthando. Uthi send me those therapist plugs, thanks. Yabulisa ke abalandeli be-United. Esisho kaloku into kubana babamthumele kaloku mhlawumbe abaxilongo lwengqondo i-therapist ngelamakhumsha. Chunce besijonge abathe babhale besithini.
Isabella uthi Man United will never learn. The only thing they have is good history. Peter yena uthi basically for Manchester United to qualify to the next round, it has to be at Bayern and pray the other two to get a draw. Elimination is calling and we are about to pick up. Ayikembukeliswa goqa lapho ke ama-trends besikuphathele wona njengamanje kuyisikhathi ke nje sokuthi siqu ey'tolo siyabuya ke emva kwe
ewe siyabuya kunjalo nje singathani into kubana sibaxhobise nababukeli benkqubo yethu into kubana ezo ke zizimvo okanye ngabahlomla bathe babhala kwikhasi lika-X alinanto kwenza neziko le-SABC okanye inkqubo Ekhaya Jikelele. Qhu evenkileni ungagunqi.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonge kakhulu ngokuthi ke ube kanye nathi. Bazobhema bakholwe ke abantu basemgungundlovu njengoba kuzobe kunomdlalo weshashalazi obizwa ngokuthi Yi the Voice in the Prince. Ukuthola ke kabanzi ngalomdlalo mbukeli weshashalazi sixoxa ke nomdidiyeli noma umkhiqizi walomdlalo uLithakazi Mkombe. Asikubingele sikwamukele ohlelweni Lithakazi. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ube nathi lapha Ekhaya Jikelele.
Sawubona sisi kunjani ngiyavuya that I'm here with you guys, thank you.
Kuvuya mina unoxolo mamtshali intokazi yalapha emawalini. Akusilandise kabanzi ke ngalenqopha mlando yomdlalo Lithakazi.
All the Voice in the Prince in connection with 16 days of activism we took the theme for this year, Unite, and decided we will launch a play that deals with violence against women and children. So what we did, we took 1956, the struggle of women back in the day, and then we brought it home so that we can understand how they felt and where they got the courage to journey to the union buildings from. And then we bring it home as we try to imagine the future, Sisilwa today. So Zama Udrawa in the lessons from the 1956 women. We try to draw in their courage and the way they fought, because today we fight a lot, but I don't think our method of fighting is effective because we are so angry. So we're trying to learn from them, teach the people how to fight so that the future is even better, because they've achieved a lot for us and we want to achieve a lot for our children. So this play, the main aim of this play is to help us fight better while we carry the freedom from 1956 so that our children can have even more freedom. Thank you so much. It's not called.
So Lilitha ke mhlawumbe obani ke office ukuthi ufinyelele kubo ngalomdlalo, obani nje office ukuthi beze bezobuka lo mdlalo futhi baneminyaka emingaki?
I-target market here to people between the ages of 18 and 35. We want them because we believe that the youth are the future of the world. They are the ones abanamandla ngoku, because ababa who are older have fought and are carrying on with what they've fought for, but they still need to fight and they need to know how to fight. So they are our target market because we love their zeal, we love their energy, and we hope that the leaders from back in the day can help us guide them into the fight that needs to be fought today. So, and it's for both women and men, as the theme of 16 Days of Activism is Unite. We believe if we both unite as men and women, we will achieve more than we can achieve if it's just women or it's just men fighting. Thank you, Sisi.
Yini ke into mhlawumbe ke abazoza bezobukela lo mdlalo ke The Voice abangayilindela mhlawumbe, ngoba ke sengiyeza ukuthi uyasho ukuthi abantu besifazane kanjalo nabantu besilisa, okushola ukuthi mhlawumbe zikhona izifundo engathathwa abesifazane kanti kanjalo zikhona futhi engathathwa ngabantu besilisa, ikakhulukazi ekutheni mhlawumbe kufuneka ukuthi iliphe labi igalelo ekutheni banakekela abantu besifazane futhi bangahlukumeza abantu besifazane.
What we achieved as a CC plenary play, and we believe that is a great lesson for both men and women, is listening and understanding. We listen and understand the cries of men, and they listen and understand our cries. That way, no one feels the need to achieve what they want to achieve. We want men to listen to us, because I feel even as we prepared this play, but the common issue here is that men sometimes they struggle to understand where we are coming from. For example, we have a scene where a woman is trying to explain that I need you at home, and this man utena but in the that's where we feel that there's a communication breakdown. And if we were to learn to speak and have them understand us, this will take us very far in the fight against gender-based violence. Thank you.
Manje ke Lithakazi ke ucela nje kusinike imininingwane mayelana nalomdlalo, uzobe ukuphi ngolwesingaki, kungenwa kanjani?
Uzobe eseMaritzburg Hexagon Theatre on the 1st and the 2nd of December. Kungenwa nge-R100 to R130. I-tickets are available ku-web tickets kumuntu ofuna uyobukela. Thank you very much. And we also have it naseDurban.
Oh, okay. Mhlawumbe ke futhi ke nombukeli office ukuthi mhlawumbe axhumane nawe, izinkundla zokuxhumana okanye baxhumana apha abantu nawe mhlawumbe makukhona abafisa ukuthi bakubuze mayelana nomdlalo.
I'm available on social media as Lithakazi Mkhombe on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.
Sibonga kakhulu ke Lilitha ngesikhathi sakho nje ke sikufisele konke okuhle, sengathi nomdlalo ke ungahamba kahle nabantu bathole izifundo ezinzulu mayelana ne gender based violence, into ezingasiza ekutheni mhlawumbe kuhamba isikhathi sibone sesiphela ke lesihlava esihlasele lapha eNingizimu Afrika. Sikufisele ke nosuku oluhle. Sibonga kakhulu ke mbukeli lobe kuLithakazi besixoxisana naye mayelana nomdlalo ozobulapha ePietermaritzburg eMgungundlovu obizwa The Voice. Usinikele ke imininingwane yayo ukuthi ke izobe imayelana nani futhi izobe ikuphi. Okwamanje ke mbukeliso nje ke qu 8 sibuye emva komzuzwana. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli wekhaya jikelele njengamanje ke sibheke kwezomnotho. Beluphezulu uhwebo lwerandi eyimakethe ngesikhathi kuvalwa eJohannesburg Stock Exchange izolo ntambama. Irandi libiza u-18.51 edoleni lasemelika libe u-23.50 kupondo kanti ke lungu-20.34 ku-euro. Ipula laseBotswana libiza u-1.36. iJohannesburg Stock Exchange ivale inkomba yezabelo yehlile. Igolide libiza $2,043 i-ounce, iplatinum libiza $932 i-ounce, uwoyela ongahluziwe ubiza $82.36 umphongolo. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli wekhaya jikelele. Izibalo zodlame olweyamene nobulili eNingizimu Afrika zibalwa njengeyiphezulu kakhulu emhlabeni wonke jikelele. Umkhankaso weyinsuku eziyishumi zokulwa nodlame olubhekiswe kwabesifazane nezingane uqhamisa ukujula kwalesihlava. Imvamisa ke uma kukhulunywa ngodlame olweyamene nobulili abesilisa ke bavame ukuchazwa njengabenzi bobubi. Kumqoka ke nokho ukuthi singagcini nje ngokugxila kwabesifazane abahlukunyezwayo, kepha sibuye sibheke nabakwesilisa. Uxoxa kabanzi malungana lolu daba sixhuma noDokotela Ukufumana uqhamuka laphaya eNyuvesi ke yaseNingizimu Afrika iUNISA. Sikubingelela Dr. Sikhosana, sikwamukele lapha ekhaya jikelele. Sibonge ngokuba nawe namhlanje.
Ngiyabonga nami ukuthi ningimemile kulohlelo lwenu namhlanje. Ngibonga kakhulu. Ngibulise nakubalaleli emakhaya kuzo zonke indawo abakuzo.
Dr. kuthini ukuphawula kwakho malungana nokuthi kuthiwa u50% wabantu besilisa abahlukumeza abesifazane kwabona bake bahlukunyezwe esikhathini esedlule? Dokotela Sikhosana, ngabe sisatholana?
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa manje. Yeah, kungendlela eyokuthi to some extent indlela esisiphatha ngayo iyaye actually idetermine indlela esesakuphatheka ngayo phambilini, futhi nayo futhi iphinde idetermine indlela esisiphatha ngayo in future. Kuyakhonakala kona ukuthi ke abantu abake bahlukumezwa empilweni yabo nabo baphinde futhi bahlukumeze abanye ngokulandelayo. Ngamanye amagama kuyathiwa violence begets violence. So ngakho ke abantu ama-victims awe abuse bayaye bayinokudevelopa ama-sign amaningi, for example i-low self-esteem, i-anxiety and low self-worth, kusho ukuthi indlela abaye bafile ngayo about themselves iyaye ihlukumezeke nabo. So ngaleko kusho ukuthi ke lezi izimpawu ezi-psychological and ezingathandeki. So in a sense kuyaye kwenzeke ukuthi ke this abuse abantu bayayi-internalize, ngamagama bayenza ibe i-part of themselves and then kube indlela abaphila ngayo. So in a sense ama-victims awe-abuse batrya ukuthi be-establishe i-self-worth, like bazame ukufila kangcono about themselves ngokuthi babona futhi ba-end up ba-resorte entweni zokwenza i-violence. Since bayaye baluze i-self-esteem ngale ndlela, bayaye actually unconsciously batrya ukuthi bayigaine le self-esteem or indlela abafila ngayo about themselves, bese ke lokho bakwenza ukuthi ba-end up nabo baba abantu abanodlame towards abanye abantu.
Manje Dokotela, mhlawumbe ungathi isiphi isisombululo, ikuphi okungenziwa mhlawumbe ukuze kunqandwe lokho ekutheni ke umuntu okade ehlukumezekile naye eqaleni bese ehlukumeza abanye, mhlawumbe iluphi usizo asuke edinga ulithola ukuze mhlawumbe angaqhubekeli phambili naye enze lokho kwakwenziwa kuye?
Lona usizo luyafuneka kakhulu ukuze sigweme udlame oluba khona emphakathini. For
Dr. Sikhosana, ngabe sisatholana?
Excuse me?
Oh Dr. ngathi ukuthi ke sike sathi kuba nenkinga lapho ngathi besingasazwani kahle. Besisakhuluma mayelana nokungenziwa ukuze kuzameke ukuthi kunqandwe lesihlava sabantu abasuke behlukumezekile nabasebehlukumeza abanye. Kuphi mhlawumbe ongamela ukuthi kwenzeke ukuze kunqandwe lokho?
Oh yeah. Ngendlela engibona ngayo mina ukuthi ke kuyaye kwenziwe kuyafuneka ukuthi kwenziwe ama awareness campaign. Kusho ukuthi abantu bafundiswe emphakathini ngale senzakalo and futhi ke banikwe ukukhaswa.
Ayike mbukela isixolise kakhulu ngazi ukuthi nje ke impela kunenkinga ke yobuxhakaxhaka sinenkinga ukuthi sitholane kahle lapha yana nodokotela uSikhosana udokotela uSikhosana ke besixoxisana naye mayilana ne-gender based violence ngezinto engenziwa nezinto enganqandwa nanokuthi lesihlava siphuma phi sidalwa yini njalo njalo okwamanje nje ke mbukela ithothi qu 8 sizobuya emva komzuzwana. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele kanti mangabe siqhubekela phambili namuhla ke siqeshini sokubuyekeza kwezincwadi sibheka ke incwadi ethi Dreams Don't Stutter okuyindaba ke ehlaba umxhwele mayelana nezinselelo zokuphila nenkinga yokuba namalimi ifake ugqozi kulabo abakuthola kunzima ukuveza imizwa yabo ngokuzethemba futhi ke ikhuthaza abafundi bayo ukuthi banqobe izithiyo futhi bafeze namaphupho abo. Le ncwadi ke igcizelela ukuthi nangaphezulu kobunzima bempilo amaphupho nezifiso zingafezeka. Ukubuyekeza lencwadi ke sixhumana naye umbhali walencwadi uTumisho Bulunga ngeZoom. Tumi sikubingelele sikwamukele ohlelweni ekhaya Jikelele breakfast show sibonga kakhulu kuba nawe.
Oh, kubonge mina ma, thank you for having me.
So ke incwadi ithi Dreams Don't Stutter okusho ukuthi ke amaphupho awangingizi. Ingabe uchaza ukuthini ngale nkulumo oyenziwa samuntu phecelezi ke ipersonification futhi yini nje ke egqugquzele ukuthi ubhale ukuthi Dreams Don't Stutter?
Amaphupho agingizi was inspired by the fact that mina myself nyangingiza as a speaker, as an author, and Ankula I was teased a lot. Bangbiza Umshefani and they make funny names and that affected my self-esteem. So I decided to overcome their fear and stop from chasing their dreams.
Manje ke encwadini yakho ukhuluma ngokuthi ukuba namalimi kunomthelela ekuzethembeni. Engabe ukholelwa ukuthi indaba yakho ingabasiza kanjani abantu ababhekene nje nezinselele ezifanayo nalezo oke wabhekana nazo wena mhlambe abane low self esteem abangekho so much confident in themselves?
Yebo. The first I would say ukuthi before you addressa ungingiza addressa i-calling addressa i-purpose yakho ngoba uzothola ukuthi khona lapho in your calling in your purpose in your passion your so-called disability iyafita in khona lapho it's one package. So the moment uzama ukuchange was limited because awusiniki your true self ubuwena.
So Tumi uthi kunezinto ezintathu ezibalekile othi ziyenzeka mangabe umuntu ekhuluma ungasichazela nje ngazo?
Oh yebo, it's very important ukuthi umuntu perfect their communication skills ngoba awukhuluma the moment uvula umlomo utshela abantu izinto ezi3. Number 1, you tell people ukuthi ubuya kuphi. Number 2, you tell people ukuthi uya kuphi. And number 3, utshela abantu ukuthi who you are. So it's important ukuthi as people simastari communication whether we stutter or not.
Le ncwadi ke Tumi ibuye igqamise ke futhi nobunzima bokukhulumela ke noma bokukhuluma usobala i-public speaking. Ngabe wena ke ukunqobe kanjani kwesaba kwakho ukukhuluma obala futhi yisiphi nje iseluleko ongasinikeza abanye ababhekene nokwesaba okufanayo?
I would say practice makes perfect. Ngeke we overcome uhlele endlini ubheka i-TV. The more ukhuluma, the more comfortable you become, and after a while awusanandaba ukuthi bayakuhleka awungingiza. As long wena you get the message across, that is all that matters.
Ukhuluma ngabantu abaqopha umlando ngokufeza amaphupho abo nangaphezulu nje kokukwazi ukukhuluma kahle. Akusixoxele ngabo kanye nokubaleka kwendatshana yabo.
People like Abo Samuel L. Jackson, people like Benjamin Franklin, the first state president of America. It's a long list yabantu who were also victims of Gingiza, Mara, that never stopped them from ukufeza amaphupho wabo. So I think people mele baba research baningabi and bona if they could do it, nathi we can do it.
Manje Dumi ungathini nje kumuntu mhlawumbe yena ke ongangingizi phese kodwa mhlawumbe ukumcebisa ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ena sometimes uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe asinayo ipatience umuntu mangabe mhlawumbe ukhuluma nomuntu ongingizayo ipatience ayikho usujaha ukuthi aqede ukukhuluma mhlawumbe lokho kwenzani kulo muntu osuke ekhuluma kanti futhi mhlawumbe singamlekelela kanjani.
Yo, as in actually right when people do that, especially when they complete sentences wakho. Iyakwatisa ngoba manje when ukuthi aluze ne temper. So I would advise people ukuthi babe patient, bangaqedi their sentences, bangabakhathi phakathi. Just listen until aqeda ukukhuluma because umkhatha uyamkwatisa ma.
Awu cha Dumi sibonga kakhulu ke ngesikhathi sakho namhlanje lapha ekhaya Jikelele sikufisele konke nje okuhle siyazi ukuthi usuwenza living you are making a living out of public speaking sikufisele nje konke okuhle.
Akubonge mina thank you very much.
Mbukelo bekuTumi ebesixoxisana naye mayelana nencwadi ethi Dreams Don't Stutter okusho ukuthi ke amaphupho awangingizi. Sesifike ekupheleni kohlelo lethu besikuphathele lona la ekhaya Jikelele kodwa ungakhathazeki embukeli nakusasa siyabuya ngesikhathi esifanayo.
Injalo kanye kwaye benza kubuza umbuzo kodwa ngenza kubuza off air ke public speaking ukuthi wena wafikelela kanjani kulenqanaba okulo le public speaking kodwa ke mbukeli masimame ngazibini ngokuba ube nathi namhlanje siqalile lenkqubo siyiqola kunye nawe kamnandi makube chos kubele
Esale kahle.